Hey guys, it's Mike. I just got done with an install. I ended up putting in a 1345 versus a 1355 just because this is a lightweight door. It doesn't need that much horsepower. Here's the unit right up here. Note this is not the unit that was shown in my garage a few videos ago. But here we go. We follow down the one-piece T-rail. And here's our door arm installation. And I just put that A-frame strut up there because, you know, these metal doors, you gotta have the strut on the top. So this door should look familiar because my neighbors actually have 3 of these. The manufacturer is General Door. They're made in America, and I really like these doors because I'll show you the outside panel. Is that the top section is actually a little bit longer than the 2 intermediate sections, which really gives it that wood door type feel. Here we have the lighted push button, the 41A, 4166, but we're going to stand back here. You guys can hear what this thing sounds like. All right, we'll bring it down. Now we'll take you guys out to the outside. We'll use the push button right here to open up the door. Alrighty. Let me get the thing back open. You know what? I think because of all the times I ran it, it went into whatever the new version of thermal overload is. But alright guys, take care.